Ola Wola, Exe Shapfiri Wizit Bafitu. Thank you for tuning into everything SAT Ski. And on this one today, we got you Cameron Danson's styling performance against the club that they played with yesterday, known as Las Palmas. Orlando Pirates starlet Cameron Danson dazzled in the midfield for the Buccaneers in their preseason victory over Las Palmas, earning mass praises from teammates and coach Adipslam Odwado on social media. Check it out. If you are here, then tune in to the news that Everything SA News is going to be delivering. Buccaneers youngster Cameron Danson turned heads during the club's preseason tour in Spain, delivering an eye-catching midfield display against huge Las Palmas that earned widespread praises from teammates, supporters, and coach. Slim Odwado has spoken to the player and the media. The highly rated midfielder captained the Buccaneers as they edged Spanish side UD Las Palmas 1-0 victory in a preseason friendly at the Marbella Football Center on Wednesday, leading by example in one of Pirates' most encouraging performances of the tour, while youngster striker Boitumelo Radiopane created a decisive goal late in the match. It was Cameron Danson who stole the spotlight with an absurd performance at the heart of the midfield as Pirates bounced back from their 3-2 defeat to Saudi Arabian outfit Al Attad. Odwado rotated his squad heavily for the encounter, heading opportunities to several fringe players, and Danson seized the moment with an composed and commanding display. Nicknamed Dancing Shoes by the happy people, the youngster showcased his impressive technical ability throughout the contest. Gilbing past opponents with ease, executing sharp half turns in tight spaces and dictating the tempo with maturity beyond of his years. His performance quickly became one of the main talking points among the Pirates faithful, with fans taking to social media to applaud the club's rising star. Cameron Danson took indeed the spotlight, but the administration was limited to supporters. Several of Danson's teammates, Ozwina Police, Libona Siema, Tsepang Moremi, and Koskona Ndaba, Talent Mbata, Sabangani Zulu, and Simpiwe Mesele alongside Odwado himself shared on Instagram the midfield standout display, with the Buccaneers for this number 46 receiving plenty of after another impressive outing. But please make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section. From your boy Isaac Waisonice from Chumba Hawima.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Billy. Oh, that's goal bound. That is